Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great day. My name is Chase. Thanks for joining me. This is Chase's World.
Alright guys, so to start this off, pop the battery in. What you're gonna do, press on the remote. Man, it's cool. Press on the car. Make sure everything's working pretty good. Alright, buddy. Go.
I'd say he's not even giving it full throttle until it starts to Easy, dude.
Good.
Fun? This is awesome.
Oh boy, 30 degrees outside. Just to get you guys a video, smash that like, hit that sub, turn on those notifications, and join the team! Alright guys, that was just a quick little video, give you guys an idea of what the car's like. Pretty fast, pretty fun. Alright guys, we're going to do another in-depth video, and we're also going to make a ramp to jump this bad boy so we can get some better footage for you guys. Shoot, at that price, you guys should pick one up. They actually are pretty nice, and they actually are really fun. Back in the warm house, warming back up slowly. So hit the like. Hope you guys like that video. Don't forget to sub with notifications on if you can. Trying to be a fast growing channel, trying to get some good videos for you guys. We're working on making some better stuff, and we got some cool ideas coming up. We just need some time to fill it. Time to film it. So once again, appreciate you guys. Hope you liked the video.